Hello, Namaskar. How are you, everybody? Today was a top tier day. Yesterday was also top tier day, but today was also top tier day. I will tell you in this long video with minimal editing and more of me talking. Okay, so let's go. So basically, remember Peter Pan, the BSSD thing, the drama? I go to a drama school. Let's start from the start, all right? I go to a drama school, all right? And over there, every year, we have these battle things where all the children are divided into four houses, and all the four houses make a production with a story. They create their own script, they create their actors, and there's cast in that. And then we all make a performance, and we showcase that performance. Now this year, just like last year, was an online. So children were given topics, children had to write their own scripts, children had to cast actors, all of the good stuff, and they had to make a production which needed to be edited and give to the school, which would edit it into the final production, right? So what happened was, ours was Snow White. We did it, we did a good job, we did everything properly, and we did a lot of hard work, and it paid off. It paid off on the day of the thing, and we won most of the trophies. There were around 14 total trophies, and we won like 7 of the trophies. It was great, it was wonderful, it was beautiful, and we were really happy. The parents of other children were really happy that our team got so much. They were happy with how the video was made, they were happy with this, they were happy with that, they were happy with everything at all, in the whole picture. And I want to tell a few things, my part, and basically, right. So I edited the thing. I was a member of the core team, the main team who manages the other children, and I will say I did a good job. I talked to all the parents about their children's costumes and this and that and extra rehearsals, and then I edited the whole thing together. I edited it on one Sunday, the Sunday before the Sunday before 12th. So 11, 10, 9, 12 minus 7 क्या होता है 5. 5th Sunday 2021. I got up at 7 a.m. I sat down on this chair at 7 a.m. and I edited till 9 p.m. for 14 hours that day without a break. I edited for 14 straight hours for that thing. And that day, from start to end, we finished the whole thing and we gave it to them at like 1 p.m. It got over at 9 p.m., but then we had to like render it, basically take out the final product like thrice, because there were always problems when we were doing it. But finally sent it at 1 a.m. and then we slept peacefully and we waited for the final day. On the final day, we watched others' performance, we watched our performance. Our performance was very good, the video was very good, everyone was very happy, and therefore we won the most number of trophies. Our director was happy, our teacher was happy, our parents were happy, everyone was happy. It was a wonderful day. So then we decided, the core team, basically there are 25 total children, out of which 6 children are main children who will help others and guide others and manage others. I was one of those 6 children, right? So we decided that the core team, which the 6 children are, we'll go out and we'll have some fun together. So thus started the beginning of the plan to go out. Now the plan was to go out today, Monday 27th December 2021, right? We plan to go out today. Now yesterday, one of the core team guy, Krish, his name is, he tells me that, Soham, we have to meet today, right? He tells me yesterday. He thought we had to meet yesterday on the Sunday. I told him no. I just by chance went, I checked my mail to see if I had by mistake, if there was any chance that I had booked them by mistake for yesterday, for the Sunday. And guess the unexpected, I had done that. मैंने कल की टिकट बुक कर दी फिर, और मेरी वाट लग गई. मैं पापा के पास गया 45 मिनट्स पहले, शो के पहले मैं पापा के पास गया. मैंने पापा को बोला, पापा क्या करें, 45 मिनट्स में शो है. हम कैंसिल नहीं कर पाए क्योंकि वो आधे से ज़्यादा पैसे दे ही नहीं रहे थे. 2000 कुछ खर्चे थे, 945 वापस कर रहे थे. पापा ने बोला छोड़ो सबको, हम देखने जाएंगे फिल्म. सो वी गॉट रेडी. in 10 minutes. Took us half an hour to reach, and we reached there on time before the show. And we watched Spider-Man. My dad got excited, so he said, "Let's watch 83 also." So we watched that film also. Two back-to-back films in one day, bro. Legendary. Okay. Then we came back. We left at 8:30 yesterday. We came back at some 6 o'clock, bro. Damn tired, bro. Yesterday, damn tired. Slept off at some 8. Then today I got up at 4 o'clock. Now, 5 minutes into the video, now I will talk about today. Okay, so I got up at 4 o'clock. I slept for 40 minutes. I got up at 4. I slept for 45 more minutes. Then I had book for 45 minutes. Then I slept for 1 hour more. Then finally I got up. I did some guitar and all because otherwise my sir would have been angry with me because I had guitar class today. Then I got ready. Wore this t-shirt, full outfit and all. I wore this is the this is the photo I just took before leaving. Then I got there. When we got there, I got there first. Gate is only closed. Phoenix Market City we went to. This is the base mall in Bengaluru. This is a picture of what it looks like. Closed because the mall opens at 10, but you can go for films before. So we went there. It was closed. Everyone came. Barricades are only closed off. We go inside. Full empty, bro. Like every day a lot of people visit. Like this is the number of people who visited every day. It's huge. It's crazy. And in the morning, no one. Zero minus zero. No one was there. Okay. Continuing whole was for ourselves. We watched a film. The plan was that we'll watch a film, then we'll go to play some games, then we'll eat lunch and we'll go home. So we did that. We went for the film. Most of the theater was empty. We went to watch Spider-Man No Way Home. Okay, and we watched it. Mostly theater was empty. We were like the only batch of kids there. There were like 10 other people, and we were laughing, talking, shouting, clapping. We were the hype in the theater. Then once that was over, we were roaming for a little bit. Then we went to the arcade playing game. So we paid like $1,000. We got some tickets and played with the tickets. Then we bought stuff. I even sneaked up 2 chocolates, bro. So damn expensive, but I sneaked them from there. No one came to know anything. Okay. Then went to eat lunch at Taco Bell. That was fun. Then we went home. We were like hanging out for like an hour or so. Some coffee and all we were drinking. Then we came home. So, and then I had my guitar class, right? That's what I just said. So this is the t-shirt I wore. I was gonna take it off, but then I realized let me just shoot the video with it. 7 minutes and 35 seconds into this video. This video is long. Okay. Oh, milk. Anyways. Oh shit, bro, that's a lot of. Okay, I'll clean that up. Okay, anyways, this fun day we took a lot of. They didn't let me take pictures, bro. They were like, so no pictures. But I took a little bit. These are all the pictures that I took. 2 more seconds. I'm waiting for you to see all the pictures. Done. Okay, done. Go. Boom. Okay, gone. Now, that was the day. It was a lot of fun. I want to talk about the fun of the day. We chilled, we hung out, we had fun, and it was a nice day. Peter Pan is the name of the house. It was a good day. Just want to write that down. That's why this video was like, just make sure this video is there to remember today. Right? We had a lot of fun. But I haven't talked about what we did. We just hung, man. We just hung around is what we did. We talked about the production. We talked about bad parents, parents who gave us trouble, and then we talked about good parents also. We talked about films, other films and all and all. We had about school and all that stuff. It was a good day. People who were there. So this is the picture which has all of us, right? I don't know where who is. I'll just name people and then they'll appear on with text on the screen. So Ananya, Veda, Christel, Krish, and this is your boy Soham. Signing off for today. I shall see you in the Maldives videos, right? There are 2 more. I'll upload the day 4 today. Tomorrow, I can't do it today, bro. I'm tired. Tomorrow, I'll upload day 4 and I'll upload day 5. Before Thursday, I'll try. Okay, fam. 10-minute video exact. Bye.